When I got to Thomas, I realized that I can do anything. And I stopped listening to those voices in my head, and I stopped listening to the people that always tore me down, and I finally found a community that would actually support me. In the spring, I'm going to be doing an internship with the baseball team here, and that will truly help me. I will be looking to be a sports photographer full-time after I graduate, and looking to go into like the major leagues or even minor leagues, just kind of focusing around that and just trying to build my business, so that will truly help me. After college, I will be moving to Australia, to Perth. I have actually reached out and spoken to a few different sports teams and players over there in Australia, and I will hopefully be working with one of those sports teams come the fall of 2026.